1 container of chicken broth added to a 2-quart pot, and then I added 2 cups of medium green chilies. This is what's going to control the heat in your dish. I've got the onion chopped and the garlic ready to go. I added the can of black beans to the chicken broth after I rinsed them, and then I'm sauteing my chicken, and I add salt and pepper, and then I use the onion and the garlic, and I let the onion become translucent and get that all cooked up really good until that chicken is done. Then you add that to the 2-quart pot with the broth and the chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin, and then give that a good stir and let that simmer a little bit. Get your casserole pan and pour the entire bag of chips in it and spread those out evenly. Next, I scoop our mixture and start to distribute that evenly over the chips. The reason why I'm scooping it is to ensure even distribution, and then towards the end I just end up dumping all of it on top. You don't have to be afraid of getting the chips wet. The idea is to get the chips soaked in all of that deliciousness. I removed the stems from the cilantro, and I am going to put these big leaves on the top of everything. I don't believe you can have too much cilantro, and so we're just going to go ahead and pile this on as well. I had queso cheese in the fridge, so this is what I'm using today, and I feel the same way about cheese as I do cilantro. You cannot have enough, so I'm putting lots and lots of cheese on the top of this. You can also use pepper jack cheese if you choose, or any cheese of your liking. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a smock that my mom had in her clothes. I thought it was in line with this dish. If you know what the name of the article is, then let me know in the comments below. I found a specialty cheese. It's Hatch chili cheese, so I went ahead and grated up this and added this also to the top. It's not necessary, it's just a special touch. There's actually paprika in this, and so I sprinkle paprika on the top. I feel like this gives it a little bit more flavoring, and it also gives it a special coloring. Pop it in the oven at 350 for approximately 30 to 45 minutes, and voila! There it is, piping hot, simmering. Anytime I make this recipe, I'm always asked for the recipe. It's great to bring to potlucks or large parties, or maybe you just have a large family. My husband absolutely loved this. Perfect for the level of spice that he likes, and almost borderline for me. There's the outfit my mom had. Let me know where you think she got this from.